Hi, it's Tim from ORACLE-BASE.com. In this video we'll demonstrate how to install Oracle Express Edition 21C on Oracle Linux 8. Oracle XE is a free-to-use version of the Oracle database. We start off by downloading the software from the XE Downloads page. This is the link, which will also be in the description. We need to download this file for Oracle Linux 8. If we were using RHEL 8, we would need the prerequisites package also, which you can find here. We're using Oracle Linux 8, so we can get the prerequisites package using DNF. We install the prerequisites package from the Yum repository. We don't have to do this as it's applied automatically as part of the XE package dependencies. But if we install it manually, the Oracle user home directory will be created properly, so I usually install it manually. We install the XE database software from the RPM file on our file system. It takes a few minutes to complete, so I've sped up the video. There's a config file we can edit to influence the database creation, but we can ignore it and use the defaults. We create the database by running a configure operation. It prompts for a password and confirmation for the sys, system, and PDB admin users. This takes a few minutes, so I've sped up the video. We use systemctl to enable the service so it restarts automatically after a reboot. We can stop and start the database using this service if we want. We switch to the Oracle user, set up the environment using ORACLE-BASE, and enter XE as the Oracle SID. We use SQL Plus to connect to the root container. The show PDBs command shows us the XE PDB1 pluggable database. This is where all our work will happen. So we've installed Oracle XE and created a database. Thanks for watching. As always, there are links to articles containing lots more information about this subject in the description box below.